It's going low. Okay. I don't know how much longer this one will last, but this is going to be it. That for you to watch me to finish a whole painting is unrealistic, because I just take a long time to get something done, and even demos, and I'd rather have you show a demo that's actually working. So you can see the background of my mouse, and I would come in and put shadows and work some on the landscape and the watercolor of the mountains and things behind him, but it is still really wet. It was just dry enough for me to take the saran wrap off of. And here's the other saran wrap that I showed you a minute ago, and I'm working a little bit on it in Golden Open. And then here's where we ended with the bears. Okay, and the bears are just beginning. I'm working on a pair of cats that are about that far along as well. So I'll continue to paint on them and show you what I'm doing, and hopefully I can finish one of these sometime soon. So I'll work a little bit on the saran wrap, and because this looks so much like a mountain, I think there's something about abstract mountains that I really love, and it's already got kind of a feel of a star night behind it, and it's really difficult for me to know where I'm going with this. That I'm using the saran wrap that I see here. I'm using the texture. I know that it is a mountain, and using the same kind of scumbling that I would have done with the regular paint. It's not a big difference, except that this is completely wet and blendable. That it truly is more like oil paint and scumbling with oil. So you see that I just put magenta there, and then I can come in with yellow on top of that and make that a peach and totally change that. And that's very wet. Change that color and blend with that color as I go, and that's more like glazing. So the nice thing about the Golden Open is if I got to fine detail, like in the faces, or if I needed to lightly change the color of something, that I can come along with this on top of the paint and glaze it and blend it. And we do a really similar thing when we scumble with oil as we would with the Golden Open. See, and I'm getting kind of a rich value as I work with this paint here. That there's something really nice about the way that it blends. Its transparency and the feel to it. It has a glow. Now I can make my other pieces glowing and beautiful and put varnish on them and make them nice, but there's something about this that is really difficult to achieve with regular acrylic. That way that color has glazed into the surface as I'm putting it on there. Now, to make this more landscape when I'm done and I'm not sure quite where it's going. I probably would add a moon in the sky since this is night. I may even add a little more speckle of stars within it. So if you had no idea what you wanted to paint, this might be a good direction to go, that you just start with quite a lot of saran wrap and color and put it down and then decide what it looks like and work with that. And